Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is not your first time here, it is I, Tarila Green, back again with another video, and just as the title indicates, you already know what is going on. For today's video, I decided to try color correcting for the very first time. I have never done it before, but I've always been curious to know how exactly it works. Like, I know the technical aspect and the paper down aspect, like I do know what it means, but I want to see it on my face and to see if it actually makes a difference in my makeup look. But first, today's comment shout out goes to... Okay, so for those who don't know what color correcting is the method of using complementary colors to cancel out the look of skin discoloration. They are used to target an array of skin issues such as dullness, redness, under eye circles, dark spots, bruises, and so on. Complementary colors are the colors that are directly opposite in the color spectrum. For example, if you have like dark eyes, which are like blues and purples, you have to use the color opposite to blue and purples to cancel out the dark eyes. And it doesn't just go in makeup. I first heard it in hair dyeing actually, but it goes in many other things. Okay, so for me personally, I don't know if I'm just blind, but looking at my face, me looking in the mirror, I don't really see or think I need color correcting. But then when I apply my makeup, like my concealer, there are certain spots that on the concealer just looks off. So I decided to test out this color correcting thing. I'm going to color correct half of my face, and then I would not color correct this side. So give me a moment, let me do my brows. Okay, let's get some primer action down. So the color corrector I'm going to be using for this video is the Mini Star Professional Makeup Color Corrector in the shade 103. These are concealers and then color corrector right here. This is the one that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using it around here and underneath my eye. But let's not forget, we're only gonna do one side of my face. Just gonna get a flat brush. I don't know what brush you're supposed to use. S on my chest because I'm ready to save it.
What the fuck is that?
Let's go. This is not as orange as I thought it would be. I've used it on someone already, and it was really orange on her skin. On the camera, it's not looking so orange. It looks the same as this, but a little bit more orange. If this makes a difference at all, I'm definitely going to buy a proper color corrector, because you know I will do anything to make my makeup look more better, I guess. I'm going with my beauty blender. I don't want to blend it too much because I still want it there. Okay, it's pretty much blended out good. So we have blended that out. Time to add the foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using is once again the Ageless Beckham foundation. As you can see, my bottle is almost done. I'm adding my foundation just like I usually do. I normally don't use a lot of foundation, which is kind of why I really love this Beckham Ageless foundation, because it's really full coverage actually. I have a lot of acne scars and I don't use a lot of foundation, but yet everything just disappears. And the concealer I'm using is actually, that's the concealer I use. First, let's add it to the side with no color correct. With no color correct.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
So this is how I apply my concealer, like this, and then you blend everything together. Let me bring guys a little closer. There is a difference. Now the problem is, I don't know if it's because I over blended this one. This side has color correct, this side doesn't. Do you notice any difference? I feel like Dora the Explorer. So let's go ahead and complete the whole makeup look to give our final judgment. I'm making a TikTok. By the way, I have a video coming up on underrated TikTok people you should follow, so go ahead and subscribe if you want to see that. For baking, I use the Mino Pro High Definition Powder. You guys have heard this a lot of times. I don't even know what I'm telling you again. So let me just bake my face. Okay, look, I know I said I'm just gonna bake my face, but I kind of just ended up doing the whole thing at the end of the day. Anyways, the whole point of the video was the color correct, not my look. But if you want a semi-tutorial on this look, I made a TikTok on this look and I posted it on Instagram, so go ahead and check it out. Yeah. So for the final revelation, like, did it work? What's my take? So after closer inspection, you guys take a closer inspection too. Remember, this is the side with the color correct, this is the side with no color correct. And I didn't see any difference. I did not see any difference. So I don't know how to feel about that really, because I was really excited to see what all this color correct was about. But then here's the thing, I think my initial statement was correct, which is I don't really have things to color correct in the first place. And then upon closer inspection, the dark area around my mouth that I was talking about is just my mustache, okay? So the solution to my problem would be to shave my face. If you guys are used to color correcting or you know a lot about color correcting, please let me know what I could have done better in the comments below. Anyways, that is it for this video. I'm glad that I finally tested that out and got it out of the way. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it at any point, you know what to do. You don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Okay, have a nice day. Bye. Love me. I'll take your money. Hey.